Good AM. Today is Sunday, March 17, 2024, and here are the 10:30 AM SL Visayas result today for Lapu-Lapu City and Mandaue City. Here are the SLs for 3 10:30 AM draw result for Lapu-Lapu City. Under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Sunday, March 17, 2024. Here are the SLs for 3 10:30 AM draw result for Mandaue City under Fiona Trading Supply Corporation for Sunday, March 17, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of Sunday, March 17, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.